Welcome to my channel. My name is Jamie and today I'm going to show you how to create a Diwali bun or a hair up. So what you do is you take a strand off on the right hand side, an inch away from the headline, and the rest of the hair you put it up into a ponytail, but make sure the ponytail is quite low because you're going to create a low bun. You can secure it with a hairband. Make sure this is nice and tight. Now I'm going to apply some hair mousse to give that a nice slick finish on the right hand side for now. So what you do is you take the other strand and just put it behind the ear and apply the mousse. So it looks neat and tidy. Don't forget to spray, just locks in the mousse. And apply a grip pin and then bring the strand over and cover the ponytail. Now what I've done is I'll put some grips around the ponytail so that later on when I do the bun I'll be able to put the grips in so it's nice and secured. Now I've taken the strand, the ponytail, and created a knot. And make sure it's done loosely. And secure the bun with the pins. Grip pins are the best. All around the bun. And you're done. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share, and most importantly the bell, if you can tap on the bell for further notifications. Any comments are welcome.